Hello, party people. We are here today celebrating Mel Walkden. Nice little scrappy friend of mine. We chat actually I feel like quite often, and she's a loyal friend, loyal follower, that kind of thing. She is finally celebrating. So excited for her to have 500 subbies. So we're going to celebrate today. There's going to be a whole list of us down below. Make sure you go check everyone out. And I'm going to be scrap lifting this lovely gem. I know it's sometimes hard to see on my phone, so I will have it up there as well. She just did it not too long ago for INSD's the Rediscover Your Stash challenges, which I love. I love those challenges. I'm also going to do mine for one of those as well, but it's not going to be the same one she's doing it for. I'm also going to do something I don't do very often. I know there's a lot of you that do it like constantly, and yeah, I don't do it that often, and I wish I did more, but sometimes I don't think of it. And that is, I'm going to use the back of a page that's already done, because I like this, and I'm just going to add mixed media to the center to look like Mel's. And I'm going to do Louisa's challenge for the Rediscover Your Stash, and that just includes, she wants us to use our stash. So she wants us to use something new from 2022, 2023, something old, 2021 and older, and one of the tools, punch, die, or stamp. So this is my something old. This is Coco Vanilla Studio, the Boy Collection Legendary, which I don't even remember when that was. Was that 2020? 2019? I'm not sure. So I'm going to use that. Looking through a lot of Mel's, a lot of her layouts to try to figure out what I wanted to do. And I noticed she also really likes to use the bubble wrap technique. And I like that this has the bubble wrap kind of look to it. So I'm going to add that to the center as well. And I think we'll be using some stamps. But I thought this would be a good background to start. And I don't need a lot of other color, or not a lot of other papers with her layout that she's got going on. My photos are going to be more horizontal than vertical. She does have a square one and then a vertical one. So I'm going to have a square one and a horizontal one. But I liked just the simplistic. There's some mixed media, little banner thing, and she used a lot of embellishments, and it's kind of nice to get that stuff out of your stash. So that is what I'm going to do too. I just have to dig and find what embellishments I want to use. So I'm going to go dig through my stash. I've got my old element, so it doesn't matter if I probably will find stuff just as old, if not older, to go with this layout. I'm going to find something new really quick, and then figure out what else I want to do for my, how the layout's going to look. Yeah, so stay tuned and I will be back. So far, I have done my mixed media. So I just did packaging technique with some faded jeans, which I thought was the closest to this, but then I realized Uncharted Mariner probably was going to be the closest to that, but whatever. Weathered wood. And then I used this stamp. I did use bubble wrap, but it wasn't coming out as dark as I wanted to because I was using speckled egg. So I used my stamp that kind of looks like bubble wrap, and I did chunks of that everywhere. I added that blue in around as well, so it doesn't look so foreign, so it looks like it goes with it. So yeah, so this is a new stamp, but also this is new cardstock, if that counts. I got it just not too long ago, actually, in a kit, so it's very new. And it's a scrap that's sitting on my desk, so I thought that would be a very good stash item to use up. So I've backed my photos with some tissue paper that's like craft cardstock kind of khaki color, and then this, I just did that crooked, this blue cardstock. So I've got that. And we're making our way. I'm looking like Miss Mel's. Yeah, the Stampers Anonymous Tim Holtz mixed media stamps. I got these just, I think, Black Friday, so not too long ago. All right. And I think because Mel has her shorter one, or her tall one down, I think I'm going to put mine down like this. So I think this is how we're going to do. And I also think I'm going to pop these suckers up on foam. All right, I'm going to finish getting this foam on. And I will go grab some of my little bins of goodies and we'll see what we can add else to the page. So I have this bin of just like ephemera that either I used all the paper up in that collection or something. So I'm going through that. I found these are old Teresa Collins cut apart sheet stuff. And then this is new Scrap and Happy Studio, their canvas flare. Love them. This was just randomly stuck to my glass mat, so I figured I'd use it. This stuff, Pink Fresh. This collection, my favorite, Splendid Fall Splendor, I think. Is this from this collection? No, this is an Echo Park collection. But it matches. This is from this collection. That's all I have left. Not a lot. I think I just need to add something now that says cool. Snuggles or something. I do have Cocoa Vanilla titles, and I should just try to use those up. So I'm going to go find one. I found a title while I was going to look through my other titles. So I found this. I thought that was perfect. And so I'm going to write the date in here. I'm going to do a little journaling right there. And that is it. That is my scrap lift of Mel. Make sure you check out everybody else down below that is playing along. I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.